Wow, Brittany and Tiffany Wilson. Haven't seen you since you were smaller.
Yeah, well, we're all grown up now.
Yeah, I can see that. Ladies, I fully expect to see you later at the white party. I think it's going to be the best one ever.
We'll be there. Take care. Bye, Mr. B. See you again.
This isn't over yet. This is a long weekend. You better watch your back. Ladies.
Ever. You better.
I can't believe you guys just did that to the Vanderbilts. You know, they could take you off the scene just like that.
It was so cool, you guys. Isn't that Denise Porter from New York One News?
Yeah. I'm working on getting you an interview with her. Great for your image.
I think I'm going to go over there and introduce myself. Do you think now's a good time? Actually, it's a perfect time. Wouldn't want to miss a photo op. Oh!
Have fun. What's wrong? Did you just get cramp?
Yeah.
You need a camp?
Yes. Hi. My name is...
Brittany Wilson, of course.
Yeah! How'd you know? Brittany Wilson, yeah!
Well, it's my job to know. Besides, your publicist, Tori, has been calling me non-stop about setting up an interview with you.
Well, if I would have known you were so beautiful, I probably would have called you myself.
Well, if I wasn't mistaken, I think you were flirting with me, Miss Wilson.
Me? Flirting with you? A girl? Never! Sorry, honey. Only beef.
Boy, you're really strong, aren't you?
From all that protein. There we are. These are delicious.
You might want to slow down on the cheese.
You mean there's cheese as in dairy cheese?
Yeah. Unless you know another way to make quiche.
I think I can get it back.
Oh, good. Well, come here.
No. I can tell it myself. Thank you,
I
though.
feel like we're going to let you go alone.
Yeah, I got it.